I'm the production supervision manager here at GE Newark, working in our raw materials business. Within CMCs, the CMC has a fiber reinforcement within the matrix. We work on the raw material that's the fiber reinforcement. So my area takes raw fiber in from a foreign source in Japan, and then we chemically treat it to give it the properties needed to be compatible with our parts and be able to give them the life requirements needed to withstand in the engine. The most rewarding thing about what we do here is really the impact we have, and that's not only the impact from a industry standpoint, where we're truly making products here that are revolutionizing the way we think about the aerospace industry and how we fly, but it's also the impact you have just at the site and with the people. My managers, the team here, they fully empower you to have an idea and to go with it, and to be able to have that idea, go forward, execute, and see the impact it has on the site, on your team. That's really what I enjoy every day. So the culture at Newark is one that I think is very similar to that of GE as a whole, and that's really collaboration. One person can't get the job done. I want somebody to tell me an idea and to see it from a different perspective, and to really collaborate with me to make a better product. One of our biggest challenges in the future is just the sheer volume of product we have to produce. With being one of the first and people seeing this work, so actually having engine tests be successful and people seeing this as a true viable product, now everybody wants it, right? And the challenge is, how do you now go from supporting engine tests to sorting full-out production and new development of parts and putting it on this engine and that engine. It's that goal or that challenge of really growing this. When I started at GE, I came on board as a EDP, which is an Edison Engineering Development Program member. Through that, I leveraged GE to get my master's degree in material science and engineering. I spent about 2 years in engineering and decided that I really wanted to get my hands dirty and actually go make stuff. So I hopped over to supply chain, and I've been in supply chain now for about 2 years. So one of the attributes to being successful at GE is really just drive. The company is great for giving you the resources and empowering you to be successful, and your job is just to go and execute on that and take your idea and really drive it home. And that's, if you can not only to see the concept but then execute on it, you'll do great at GE. I like to equate my job with driving. So in a situation, I could come in one day and everything's calm, and the next moment we could be at 100. And that's the joys of the job. So the one thing I would tell people is really to be successful at my job and here at GE, it's really understanding what's going on around you, whether it be industry-wide, whether it's within your team, and then assessing those different situations and figuring out the best path forward.